today topic session we are going to deal with the topic relations and function. The first unit in the 10th standard Samachir book. Okay, first unit is relations and function. What do you mean by the relation? It is nothing but members, group of members attending to a group of members in our family. They are called as relations. And group of people gathering in a meeting or a gathering together with a function, that is called as function. We are gathering, group of people gathering is called a function. Here the group is related, so group of things collection is what the sets. Here we are using the sets. Using sets we are going to deal with the relations and functions. Now set symbol we are going to use it here. For relation, two sets, two people, group of people are related. How they are related? That's what we are going to see. In one or other form. See, father is related to son, father is related to daughter, like that mother is related to son, mother is related to daughter. So in a family means each one is related to every other members of the group. Same way here we are going to compare two sets A and B and find how they are related and what form we can represent this two sets, and how we will represent the elements of the sets, how we will read the elements of the sets. Simply a set, single set we will read, each one is an element. If two sets are related, then how we will denote the set, new set formed, how we will denote the elements of the new set. So that what we are going to see with the relations and functions. So first topic here we are going to do is a relation. In that, so two sets are related using the Cartesian form of representation. Now what is it, Cartesian form? Now suppose set A and set B. Okay, A set has teachers 1, teacher 1 and teacher 2. Okay, B set has course. A set has teacher 1 and teacher 2. B set has courses handling. What is the courses? English, Spanish, German. Now in this A set containing teachers, teacher 1 and teacher 2. B set is a set containing English, Spanish, German, 3 set of courses. Now we will represent these two sets in the Venn diagram form. T1, T2, the English, we will denote the first letter, English, Spanish, German. Okay, first set A, we will denote it in the Venn diagram circle form, right? T1, T2. Same way, B, English, subjects, no, courses, Spanish, German. Now how each one is related to the other. So here the teachers are supposed to take all the subjects, courses. So set A is supposed to teach all the courses in the set B. So how each one is related. So T1, T2, here English SG. Teacher 1 is supposed to take all the 3. So denote it by the arrow symbol. And T2 is also supposed to take all the 3. So denote it by the arrow. Now how we can do this one? So forming the relation is the cross product. So we will denote the Cartesian form as A cross B. This is what your Cartesian form. Cartesian form of writing the elements, sets, two sets A and B. Now how the elements are grouped here? T1 comma English, and then T2 comma T1 is related to English, T1 is again related to Spanish, T1 is again related to German. Same way T2, take the T2 is again related to English, T2 is again related to Spanish, and T2 is again related to German. Okay, each of the teachers is related to the courses. So first comes teachers, the first set A, and second comes the course, the second set B. So if A is related to B means the teacher is related to subjects, courses. So first comes teachers, next comes the course. Don't take it in any other order. Only first is teacher and then is English. Then the courses. So we represent this A cross B as the set of all these elements. So teachers comes first. General, you will take C and the T. T for teachers and C for the courses. So write it in the ordered pairs, comma, that is close brackets. And then represent this, what is the first element T? T belongs to the first set A. And then C. C courses belongs to the second set B. Courses belong to the second set B using the set symbol written inside the set form. So writing this form, set builder form. Here you are using the set builder form. Okay, the first set contains teachers element, the second set contains courses elements. Okay. So we represent the A cross B as set contains T comma C such that T belongs to A and first set C belongs to B. The first elements belongs to A, second elements belongs to B. Now in this you should not change the order C first and T second. You cannot change the C comma T because the relation is from A to B. If it is from B to A, you can change it. That is from C to T, you can change it. Where C belongs to first set and that is B set and T belongs to the second set. So in this form of writing is called the Cartesian form. So two sets A and B can be related using the Cartesian form. A cross B is it that denotes the ordered pairs, that is